Welcome viewers, want to sell your custom merch on TikTok using Printify? In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to connect your TikTok shop to Printify. So you can start selling your print on demand products with ease. Let's jump in. Step 1. You have to set up your TikTok shop account. For selling, you need to have a TikTok shop account. Click on join now and provide your real details. Please do not provide any fake or misleading information, as it will harm your TikTok shop or TikTok account. Complete the verification process and head to Printify account. After go to Printify account, create a free account. Once inside, you will able to see thousands of print on demand products like shirts, mugs, phone case and etc. Choose your preferred print providers and start designing. Step 3. Set up Shopify store. TikTok shop doesn't directly let you connect Printify. So you need a bridge, which is Shopify. You have to create a Shopify account and use that to connect TikTok shop and Printify. After creating Shopify, you have to search for Printify and install the app. After that, you have to search for TikTok app and install it also. Then connect Printify account to Shopify and TikTok shop. Allow all the necessary permission. Sync your product catalog and complete the channel setup. After that, go to the Printify account and design your product and publish them to Shopify store. Once synced, these products will automatically show up in your TikTok shop. You can now tag them in your TikTok videos, run ads directly on the platform, and start making sales. Here's a quick summary. You have to set up TikTok shop, then create a Printify account, then set up Shopify store and connect Shopify with Printify and TikTok shop. Then design in Printify and publish them. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.